Start a photography YouTube channel. You can also make money by starting a photography channel on YouTube. It's essentially the same content, tutorials, reviews, etc., but in video form. However, your blog or YouTube channel needs to gain a good following before you can actually start making money from it. Tips on how to earn from a photography YouTube channel. Create your goal along with a story or selling point. If you've been blogging, you might already know what the goal is, but if not, you need to think about what you are offering a potential subscriber. It doesn't have to be anything grand or unique, though unique helps, but you should lay out what it is your channel offers. Every YouTube channel has an About page, where you can describe your channel and what it offers. Put yourself in the mind of a potential subscriber and think what they might want to read that would give them a reason to click on subscribe. Branding. Again, no matter whether you will be content with a small channel or you're aiming big, having consistent branding between your YouTube channel, website, and other social media platforms will help people identify and find you. Create a schedule. One of the key factors in creating a successful channel is to have a schedule. You need to decide how frequently you want to publish. Are you publishing every day, every week, or every month? Whatever you decide, be sure you can actually deliver it. There is little point in telling yourself and your subscribers to expect a new video every day, and you only deliver once per month. When you decide how often to publish, try to pick a time and day that is consistent. So if you publish every week, do so on the same day of the week at a certain time. Invest on better audio. Though YouTube is a visual platform, the audio portion of your content is equally, if not more important than the video part. It doesn't matter how good your video looks. If your viewers can't clearly hear what you are saying, you will lose them. People are a lot more forgiving of poor video as long as they can make out what you are saying. Getting good audio doesn't have to be expensive. If the camera you are using to record video has an input for an external mic, use it. What mic you choose to use will very much depend on your budget and where you will be in relation to the camera. Engage with the community. No matter what your photography videos are about, there is likely to be a community of channels with similar interests. Though you might think you are competing with these other channels, by working together, you can help your channel and others grow. Try watching other content creators' videos. See what they are doing and how they are doing it. Don't just like their videos, leave comments as well. Get to know your fellow YouTubers and build relationships. Those relationships can lead to other things you can't do by yourself, such as collaboration.